How to access memories on Snapchat web. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can access your memories on your Snapchat web. So let us begin. First of all, open up your web.snapchat.com, and after you open it up, you'll need to log in into your account. So after you're logged into your account, simply tap on this icon on the top left. Now, there is a catch to this, and that is you cannot actually view memories, but you can download all of your data to view your memories. So head over to this option on the top, and after you head over there, you should see a lot of different options. So head over to account settings, and after you head over to your account settings, you'll get redirected to another website. So after you're here, you'll see my data. Tap on my data, and after you tap on my data, you can choose what you want to download. Now here you will see export your memories, chat media, and shared stories. So toggle this on because what we want is our memories. So after you do that, you can select the file size. And here, if you want anything else, you can import that as well. But I'll just not do this. I'll make sure that I don't check this on here. And after we do this, tap on next. And here you can even put a date range. So just select a date range. And after you do that, simply tap on submit. Make sure that you have your correct email there. And after you tap on that, what you'll need to do, okay, so let me go back here. It says select data to include. And here simply tap on submit and you should get an option to download it. And after some time, you'll get the file on your mail. So head over to your mail and check it, and then it will be there. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.